Guys, this is really important right now. We entering another subject right now. Is the area of the head. Described as the area of the head is where the contours are likely to change. There are three basic areas of the head: the top, the base, and the sides. So here, it's a good explanation today for you guys. So all heads in the whole world, the hair has its own natural direction to grow. Okay? The hair from the top, if you look at on this one, so if you look at this hair, you can't see the direction this hair grows, right? Because it's long, it's just falling. But if I buzz at this hair with number 2 or 4, and I look closely, the top, I have here the area. When you look at the numbers, I have area 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
We can see it here in the book.
You can see that, right?
Yeah, in the book.
And then we have the base that we explain later to you, and we have the natural growth patterns. So if you buzz this hair really short, you're going to see the hair from the center of the head, it grows straight up. It's important to know where it's the natural growth of each hair strength. The hair on zone 2, you see, straight, it grows a slightly different direction. The hair on zone 3, it grows, it just follows the contours of the head, okay? Zone 4, zone 5, then the base. Then from here on, it just grows down. The idea of understanding this is because if you cut the hair, following its own natural direction, if you pull the hair all the way from the root, from its natural direction, and cut, you're creating a round shape. That's too much, right, guys? You're creating a round shape. If I move the hair that grows this way, right? If I move them and I cut them straight, I'm creating another shape. Which shape is that? Because I'm kind of elevating the hair, removing the hair from its natural direction. This is natural, cut, round. But if I move the hair from here to here, like we do daily basically, and cut with the finger straight, you're creating a square shape. So to be able to create a round shape, just cut following the head shape. Okay, zone 1, the hair goes straight up. And the more the contours rounds, the more the hair follows. It goes in this direction. Understood on that one? The idea is to identify where these areas, and why they are so important to know where the direction is. So the top is one area. Now we're going to talk about the base. No, before I go to base, hold on. I'm going to put this away from me. We have one natural growth pattern here. All hair in the planet, here the hair will give that cowlick will separate it, because the hair here, it grows natural somewhere too, different than the zones, different from these areas. And we do have the crown. Everything is a crown, okay? Not just this. How many cowlicks you see in clients, right? 1, 2, 3. So sometimes we need to understand what direction that cowlick is growing, so we can work it on something so the hair don't spike. So if you're trying to move this hair this way, and if I cut too short, what's going to happen is going to spike. All cowlicks will go to the direction of the clock, the same direction, clockwise. Okay, all of them. So we have the 2 growth patterns that is natural. Everybody will have that. We have the areas of the head on top that we need to know that the hair grows in different direction. Okay. Again, just breaking down. This direction, this direction, this direction, that direction. And here you start going like this, the base here. So now is the base. We are talking about the top, Now the base. The base is where everything happens. Is the transition area where we create the blend for the sides and create the guide for the top. It's the key spot to the entire haircut. After this, the rest of the haircut, it fits naturally. For me, this is the most important part of the haircut, is the base. This is the base is where you make the transition from the fade into the long, into the top. This is the transition area. We need to understand that. I will show you in real life here when further on. And the base goes around the head. From here, the B, from here, all the way to this side. Tomorrow I will instruct you guys in how to create this base. The base, most of the time, we work with medium to short hair. Short hair, we create the base with the finger very close to the head, because we create the base and then we debulk with number 2 or 3 when we start fading. So the base is, you know where to stop with the clipper when you're cutting short hair. And the base is actually a foundation for the hair, long, connects with the sides. This is very important area to know.